dismiss, interest of justice.
So I'm letting the record show that the defendant, Ryan Michael Thor, with case CMZ 606-406, all charges are dismissed. Is that correct?
And whatever fees were paid are going towards court costs, okay?
Those fees are bail, and they should be returned after dismissal.
Okay. You know what? I don't have a problem with returning your fees. I don't.
Thank you.
All right. Show proof of correction of your insurance. Thank you for that. Does he owe $25 dismissal fee on that? Good job. And then were you able to cure your license issue, or is there a hold?
For the record, my name is Ryan Thor. I'm the living man. I am not the entity known as Ryan Michael Thor, just to clear that. I am here on special appearance under threat, duress, and coercion to challenge subject matter jurisdiction and also personal jurisdiction as well. I filed my paperwork for you on Friday, and the clerk illegally denied it. I went again this morning and filed my paperwork again for you. The clerk again illegally denied it, even though I gave her a notice telling her it's a felony for her not to accept my paperwork. And actually, it's in law, it's considered filed when I gave it to her.
Okay.
So there.
What do you want to do today, sir?
Well, Your Honor, I mean, I'm going to have to ask a few questions first, which, first of all, is I need to understand the nature and the cause of the charges against me, as well as I need to know, is this a civil jurisdiction or criminal jurisdiction?
Okay, it's criminal jurisdiction.
Criminal.
Code, it's traffic infraction court, so no possibility of going to jail on any of this. You settled one of your counts. You just proof of correction on August 26, 2022, or Ryan Michael Thor did. If you're are you saying that's not you?
Ryan Thor is the living man. Ryan Michael Thor is the defendant in error. It's the artificial person. So thank you, Your Honor. Let the record of the court show that the action against me is criminal. And now I have another question, because the Constitution grants us two different criminal jurisdictions, okay? One criminal jurisdiction is under the common law, and the other is under the criminal jurisdiction of admiralty or military tribunal venue from Article 1, Section 8, Clause 17 of the Constitution. Well, I need to know which of these two jurisdictions that you intend to try me. It's very important because they're done different ways. The rules of civil procedure are very different in a criminal jurisdiction, obviously for common law, and a military.
Civilly, no one's asking you, no. So we just need to show, were you able to cure your license with the DMV, or you don't know?
Your Honor, I need to get these other questions answered. I need to know what the jurisdiction is. And I need to know also who the injured party is. The nature and cause of this. I need to know who the injured party is.
Okay.
I need to know who's bringing the claim.
How about, okay, the state is. So here's the deal. Do you want to have a trial date? I can give you many trial different dates, and you come in and you can ask all the questions, and they have to prove the charges against you. So
thank you, Your Honor, but I don't think you'd be violating your oath of office by doing your duty under the Constitution. Okay?
Mr. Thor, I'm going to have to come back to your case because I have all these other cases, and I'll take all the time in the world to do, because you see you add-on today? Oh, it was on the calendar.
Your Honor, I just motioned for dismissal because if this is a criminal jurisdiction, as you're claiming, I need to see a verified complaint and I need, from the injured party, and I have to have an opportunity to face my accuser, as you mentioned at the beginning of this entire hearing. So who is the injured party? That's the question. Who's the injured party? Why am I here? I don't understand why I'm here.
He's paid $440 with 32 cents.
You paid $440.32?
Yes, that's what he's paid up to date.
All right. All right, so what else? So he just has count 1 and count 2, and he showed the proof of count 3?
Correct.
All right, sir, I'm going to just exercise my discretion. I'm going to dismiss count 1 and dismiss count 2 and just order the fees that you've already paid to cover court costs. Okay?
So
No charges are pending against you. They've been dismissed. Interest of justice.
So I'm letting the record show that the defendant, Ryan Michael Thor, with case CMZ 606-406, all charges are dismissed. Is that correct?
And whatever fees were paid are going towards court costs, okay?
Well, those fees are bail, and they should be returned after dismissal.
Okay, you know what, I don't have a problem with returning your fees. I don't.
Thank you.
All right,
$25 fees.
wait. All right, have a good day, Mr. Thor.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate your time.
You're very welcome. Next case, Matthew Martinez, CMZ 30058. Mr. Martinez, good morning, sir. Thank you for being patient. I know you're at the end of the calendar. Bailey, Mr., you have, did you have an address change? Because the money comes back to whatever address you put in whoever the person was. So,
The address is proper.
perfect.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You're very welcome.